Whoa! Sorry, my brain just sent a system restart signal. Ever wonder why we do that? Most people think it's for oxygen. Wrong! Science says yawning is actually an air conditioner for your noggin.
When your brain gets too hot, a big yawn brings in cool air and stretches the muscles around your skull to chill things out. But why is it contagious? Because humans are copycats. Seeing a yawn triggers your mirror neurons. If I yawn, you probably just did too. Stay cool, stay curious, and go take a nap. See ya!